Look at this river. Like, there's the walkway going underground, or underwater. Calgary flood of 2013. Oh my God. And this is Memorial overpass. We're heading like so. There's Memorial, right? This is the 4th Avenue, 1st Avenue rather. Look at this. The water is barely clearing that bridge. Much traffic. Downtown core is closed. That structure right there is the drop-in center, and that's closed. It's flooded. Oh my God. And a little lake coming down the bridge as well. The animals have been taken from the zoo and moved to higher ground, so they should be fine. Oh my God, just listen to it. Get over to that side of the road, it's all blocked off. These people are not supposed to be on that bridge. This is usually a very, very busy intersection. All 4 lanes of this road are always packed full of cars.